I'm Bray.
And we are about to do Ratchet by Manuel Telepathy. Yes. Oh my God, who let her come out the house looking like that? I just hit the one who did her doing OMG, what does she have on?
See, Ratchet.
Her leg front is all wrong.
See, Ratchet.
Give me a home. I'm going to take this type of picture.
See, Ratchet.
I'm going to put this girl on Twitter.
See, Ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See, Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
See, Ratchet.
Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face.
Ooh, see, Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fake.
See, Ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Girl with a baby boy. And it came with a sister. Yeah, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the floor with no shoes. What's up? I had to get cute today. I'm about to get for a boot today. I had to keep a good comeback that just made the hood stuff your shoes.
That's right.
You knew Tuesday. House coach check get 2 days. Got my track yesterday. Hey girl, it's good food.
You know it.
Go beef it up. Move train.
You don't know
it. The 15th, I got my food.
Yeah,
got a
right.
brand new pair. Brand new $95 for this week. Plus that bow. Fast and oh, I never saw. You over here to take
That's
off.
right.
Thinking that you better than I am. What girl you thinking of? Whatever. Chill out. My number. Boy, bye. Come girl. Be quiet. Hey girl, you look good.
You did that doing. Round shape.
Talk to you later.
Ew.
Oh, see, what does she have? Oh,
See, Ratchet.
her leg front is all wrong.
See, Ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm going to take this type of a picture.
See, Ratchet.
Got it. I'm going to put this girl on Twitter.
See,
Because
Ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See, Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on.
See, Ratchet.
Oh, I just want to punch her in her face.
See, Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake. My name is Email Willa, but my girlfriend called me
That's fine.
free before 11 pregame, then we call it.
Yeah.
If I answer that, you can have it. Google sauce.
Come
This is
on.
Bow Wow is not future baby daddy. Maury got my jersey dress on. Want to match my press
That's
on.
right.
Hell, team dark skin. We don't like to rap double to my pick. New Ivy Goblet.
You got it.
Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter.
Oh, yeah.
I was Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. If you don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It
Come
Down.
on,
I'm a
girl.
Team Bad Shit. Team with your man.
That's
If he
right.
got a lot of money, then it's Team he's paying you. He don't matter because I was better than you anyway, so it really don't matter. Oh, well, you were mad, so get out of here. Move here. Whatever.
Okay.
OMG, what does she have? Oh,
See, Ratchet.
her leg front is all wrong.
See, Ratchet.
Give me a phone. I'm going to take this type of picture.
See,
Got
Ratchet.
it. I'm going to put this girl on Twitter.
See, Ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on.
Ratchet.
Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face.
Ooh, see, Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
Subscribe me, Brianna Wilmer.
Yes. And me, Adonai Hubbard. So, peace.
Comment below, please, and like.